And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the input tag. I made a longer video about forms where I get into all of the details. You will find that in my HTML playlist. But in general, we need the input tag inside of a form usually, and it is used to give the user a field where you can put text input or number input, for example password. There are many different types. I went over all of them in my longer form video, but by default you have a text type, so this little text box right here. It can also be radio buttons. You've certainly seen that on websites. So let me add some text, and now you can activate this. It can also be a checkbox. And there are specific text fields, for example, for passwords. You can then use this input tag to define what kind of password format is valid and what is not. There are also many specific attributes that are used with the input tag, for example, required. So when you have a form that submits the data, this certain input field must be filled out or it's not going to get submitted. You can also add a placeholder. And these are the basics of this input tag. Once again, if you want to know all of the details, I've made this long. I believe it's a 90-minute video about forms, and there you'll find more infos about all of these little details. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.